Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track from submission using GTM and send it as a GA4 event. Okay, so we're going to be seeing the default form submission trigger for the form submission. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be showing this website for this event. Okay, so if I go to the contact us page, then you can see there is a form available here. So when someone submit this form, we want to track this as one of our GA4 event. Okay, so let's go to the tag manager. So you can see over here, I have set up the Google tag for GA4 and the page view event is set up. And this events has been set up in the previous video. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, then I would suggest you to go to my Web Analytics 2025 playlist or Google Tag Manager playlist, where you will get all the videos. Okay, perfect. So first of all, we'll be enabling some built-in variables. So we'll go to the variables section and we're going to be configuring some form related variables like form elements, form classes, form ID, form target, form URL, and form text. Okay, perfect. Then we'll go to the trigger section and we're going to be setting up a new trigger. Okay, so the trigger would be form submission trigger. Okay, so I'm gonna hit form submission and I'll name this as form submission. Perfect. Now we'll go to the preview section and see if we submit this form, if there is any form submit event fires or not. Okay, then we'll be setting up the necessary triggers and tags. Okay, so I'll click on preview section. Then I'm going to provide the website URL and I'll hit connect. So let's go to the contact us page and we're going to be submitting the form. So if I go to the tag assistant preview mode, then you don't see any form submit event over there in the summary section. So we're going to be submitting the form. So I'm going to be providing my details and message as test. So I'll click on send message. Okay, the form has been submitted successfully. So let's go to the tag assistant. Then you can see form submit event has fired. Okay, so let's go to the variable section. Then you can see there is an event called form submit. So you can either trigger this using this event name like form submit, or you can take the form classes. And you have form text as well, but I'll be using this event for this video. Okay, perfect. So we'll be creating a new trigger because if someone submits the form, then this event will be fired. So we are going to be triggering using this event. So I could name this as form submit trigger. Okay, and I'll be choosing trigger configuration as custom event and I'll be providing this value which I have copied from here. Perfect. Then I'll click on save. So let's create the trigger now. So the trigger name would be GA4 event form submit, or you can name it as per your requirements. Okay, so I'll be naming it like this: GA4 event form submit. Then I'll be choosing tag configuration as Google Analytics GA4 event. So we have already created the measurement ID, which is there. So you'll see the green signal Google tag found in this container. Then the event name would be form underscore submit. Perfect. So I'll not be passing any event parameters. If you want, you can pass event parameters. Then as the triggering, I'll be using this form submit trigger actually. So I'll click on save. Perfect. So you can see the naming sequence over there, GA4 event, 60 seconds. So I would suggest you to use this kind of naming sequence, so it looks better. So we have implemented our form submission tag triggers and variables. Now we need to debug and test. So before debugging, we'll go to the debug view section in the analytics so that we can see it real time. So we're going to be enabling the debug view. Okay, now let's debug it or preview it. So I'm going to hit preview button. Then I'll provide the website URL and hit connect. Now I'll go to the contact us page. So you can see over here, form submission or GA4 event form submit hasn't fired yet. So I'm gonna submit the form, like my name, email, and message as test. Then I'll click on send message. So the form has been submitted successfully. You will see GA4 event form submit has fired one time. So let's go to the debug view section. So just wait a little bit because you can see over here form submit event has fired. So it is coming in the analytics. So everything is working properly. So this is how you can set up form submission event for your GA4 event using GTM built-in triggers. Okay. So I have made all the changes. Now I can submit the changes. So if you want, you can give the version name and version description. For the time being, I'm skipping them. Then I'll hit publish. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day.